There has been this sudden wave in the AI space and everyone is panicking over Grok's sudden updates, which no longer offers a free plan. So a lot of creators are feeling stuck. But if you're watching this video right now, panic no more because you are in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to show you 3 solid alternatives that you can start using today to keep your workflow going. Without wasting any much time, let's get started. The first AI tool is called Qwen AI, and to access it, go to your Chrome browser and search for Qwen AI, then scroll down and find this one and click on it. When you click on it, it's gonna load into this interface, which you'll see many things you can create with Qwen. So click on video generation and it will take you into this interface. You would notice that it will say that you can generate videos in Qwen AI's guest mode, which is showing right now. So all you need is to sign up with your Google account or your GitHub account, also your email address. So click on login, and I usually like to log in with my Google account because it's more convenient. So click here to change the model that you would use. I usually like Qwen 3.5 plus because it adapts to my prompt better. So click here on this plus sign here, then choose create video. So when you click on create video, it's gonna load up like this. Then all you need now is to click on 16:9 there to change the aspect ratio to whatever you want to put. So click on the plus sign now and then click on this image icon here. So when you click on it, then you need now is to upload the image you want to animate, since we are just doing image to video here. So you wait for it to load up. While it is loading up, just paste in your prompt and now it is loaded up. So just click on this plus sign to send it. And it's not as fast as Grok, but at least it is a free alternative that you can use for now till you have enough luxury or fortune to pay for Grok Super. So just wait for it to generate your video, and then you also have a video that is like Grok. And the best part is that you can just click on new chat and recreate a video at the same time, not like other AI tools that doesn't accept that. So I'll paste in the same prompt now and I would send it. And the best part of this tool is that it also doesn't have watermark, and this one is done now. So let's preview it.
Abeg, no wear this kind of clothes again. No good. Mom, now this thing the trend now. No make my friends meet.
How cool is it? Now let's check out the test video. It is also done, and if you check out, the video is a realistic video. It didn't give me a 3D video, and also the mother is wearing something that I didn't want her to wear. That's because my prompt says so. So this AI tool adapts faster to the prompt you give it. So I will just download it straight away. Let's preview them now.
Abeg, no wear this kind clothes again. No good.
Mom, now this thing the trend now. No make my friends laugh me. Abeg, no wear this kind of clothes again. No good. Mom, now this thing the trend now. No make my friends meet.
It did a pretty awesome job, which I like. So with that, let's move over to the next AI tool. Now this is one video. Just search for one AI and then click on this one that appears. Now you need to log in with your Google account or your GitHub account. Once you log in, you need to check in. I usually do this for a reason that I'll show you in the video. So this is the interface. Just click on this icon to set up the AI tool for the generation process. I usually leave everything as it is except for generate with credits, which I usually leave on, but for this video I'm gonna leave it off. When you click on generate, this would show up, so we'll leave it as generate. Then click on this icon to change the mode to whatever we are creating between image and video. So I will leave it as video. Then just click on frame and then click on upload to upload the image you want to animate. So with that, it will show up like this. Then paste in your prompt, and once it is uploaded, it will show up in this format. So just click here, and it's, as you can see, it takes 0 credits because you turned that off. But here is the reason I usually like to leave it on. So if I click on accelerate, it will skip the queuing process. So when I click on it now, to load up and then it's generating. Can you see? So that's why I love it. So now it is done. Let's review it and see how it goes. Because this tool usually hangs phone, so I'll just go ahead and download the video, and of course with watermark because we are on a free plan. So we'll download it with watermark and we'll check it out.
I beg, no wear this kind clothes again. It no good. Mom, now this thing the trend. No, make my friend laugh me.
Can you see? This is pretty awesome, and the watermark is very small, so don't worry about it. Now the next one is to access it. Go to your Chrome browser and search for Flow AI Google and click on this one here, then wait for it to load and then click on create with Flow. It will load you into this interface which you need to sign up with your Google account to access. Then just click on get started. When you click on get started, because this is their new updates, then you need to click on new project. I usually like to start a new project whenever I am generating a new video. So once I'm done with that, just come down here that says Nano Banana, click on it and then change the mode to video. So when you change the mode to video, you then need to leave it as frames to video, and if you check out here, it's going to generate 2 videos per prompt. So I will leave it as 1 so it takes less credit, but it may not give you exactly what you want, so you need to retry it and make sure you leave it as frames because it will start from your frame. Then click on start, and when you click on start, then click on here to upload the frame you want to animate, which is the image you want to animate your videos with. And once you've uploaded it, it's going to be loading up in this interface like this, and then paste in your prompt, wait for it to load up, and now it is loaded. So just click here and send your prompt and wait for it to generate your video. It doesn't take much time to generate videos. It's good to mention that you get 100 credits on a free plan, and on a pro plan you get 1000 credits, which it takes 20 credits out of your 1000 or 100 credits, and it renews monthly. Now it is done, so let's check it out and see how it goes. So click on it and then it will load into this interface, which you can do other things like extend, insert, remove, and camera, which stands for camera angle, but that's not why we are here. If you want me to create a tutorial on it, just drop it down in the comment section.
I beg, no wear this kind clothes again. It no good. Mom, now this thing they trend now. No make my
Did
friends
come out
laugh
with
me.
a brilliant idea, but let's download it first, then I'll tell you something that you need to know. So click here to download, and then you can choose between 720p and 180p. So I usually like 180p so that the videos is very clear.
I beg, no wear this kind clothes again. It no good. Mom, now this thing they trend now. No make my friends laugh me.
Quick reminder, these AI tools usually makes mistakes, which Grok does also. So if you check out the video I played, the mother said what the daughter was supposed to say. So all you need to do is just to regenerate it, but while doing that, be mindful of the free credits that they gives.
I beg, no wear this kind clothes again. It no good.
Mom, now this thing they trend now. No make my friends laugh me.
So you've seen the second version kept good. The truth is that I knew that something like this would happen one day, and what smart creators does in this kind of situation is that they find alternatives. Now I've found an alternative for you. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel because in the next tutorial something big is coming up, and I would like to see you in that video. And thank you for being here, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.